Let these people think I don't bust my gun. Okay. I'm smart. You did. I'm not ignorant with my shit. You did. So yeah, y'all, pay attention and be safe. You did. You did. Can you dig it? I'm trying to tell y'all, man, do your own research. Get what you like. Cause I know when that bad motherfucker came out of Dallas, Texas, I knew that for like three. Let's see, January I got the Rock 57. February I got the Taurus G2, the Micro Taurus. March, oh, I did got the Ross Smart. April, I forget the Taurus 605. Every month, baby, we been popping some, y'all. You did? Every month we been copping some shit. Treat yourself, it's going down, y'all. Every month so far, I done cop some shit. You did? I'm just letting y'all know. January, 5-7. You did? January, February. You did? Taurus, Micro. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Boy, acting a fool. Yeah. March, for my birthday, I got that Ross Smart, 2024. Bussin'. You did. Now, for April, I'm finna get that Taurus 605. That's every month I done cop one. Catch up, baby. It's going down, y'all. Collection finna be nice. You did. So all y'all with your Jordan collection, good word. I got a gun collection. No cow. Kick ass. Yeah. So yeah, all my bros say y'all, we ain't playing no game, man. Do you and be your channel. Cause my channel gonna be the food. Knowing what the fuck I want, buy what the hell I like. You need my way, the dumb way, uncut, unedited, unless I feel like it. You need. So yeah, everybody, be safe. We popping in my own way. You need. You need. Slow motion, slow grind. You need. Little money better than no money. So it's going down, y'all. I got some new shit coming from Steiny Boys head. You need. I'm gonna buy something every month just for a nigga say, you just buy it. Well, hey, when you got it, you got it. You know what I'm talking about? When you got it, you got it. Shit. You did? I save up for a come up, not for a fuck up. You did? That's the main thing. Save up for a come up, not a fuck up. That ain't in my jurisdiction, baby. We getting it rocking, y'all. All my bro, we gonna keep this bitch rolling, y'all. No cap. Yeah. My motivation. We got this shit, y'all. Appreciate everybody who came to the live. Appreciate everybody coming to the live, no cap. Hey, baby, what's up? What's up? So, yeah, I'm getting that revolver. You did. I'm getting yours, the one you like, baby. Yeah, I'm getting that one. Copping that. You did. Peanut butter. Oh, yeah. Bam. Revolver on that ass. Yeah. So y'all, represent, we finna pop out, no cap, y'all. My shit finna be off the chain. Treat myself. Oh, my brother, what's up with it? Okay, you get ready to go to the gun range. We gonna get you right, get you right. Get you busted. Bust it. So yeah, man, we ain't playing no games, y'all. Collections is a fool. You need to shoot that 12 gauge you talking about you like. You want to shoot that one too? Shit, Big Bobo. Big shout out. Shout out, mini me. That mini me. Say that mini me by like that. Ooh, shout out. 5 in that bad boy. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, I'm gotta get that baby popping. Yeah, I'm trying to tell you. We can have this, but man, I'm telling you. They gonna be hating on my collection. They gonna be hating. That boy get some every month. Damn. Damn. Ain't that some shit? He buying something every month. Ain't this some shit? Damn, I'm mad at him. He just steady buying shit.